Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your cursor a yellow circle. First, let's understand why this is so useful. A highlighted cursor significantly boosts visibility, making it much easier for your audience to track your movements during presentations or online tutorials. This simple enhancement helps keep viewers focused on key areas, reducing confusion and improving comprehension. It's a fantastic tool for anyone sharing their screen, from teachers to content creators, ensuring your message is always clear and engaging. There are several ways to achieve a yellow circle cursor, depending on your operating system. For Windows users, applications like Mouse Pointer Highlight from the Microsoft Store or the mouse utilities in PowerToys are excellent choices. Mac users can find options like Cursor Highlighter on the App Store or utilize built-in accessibility features. Some tools, like Pointer Focus, offer advanced features for professional use, while browser extensions can highlight your cursor specifically within web pages. Customization is key to making your cursor highlight perfect. Most tools allow you to easily change the color, with yellow being a popular choice for its high contrast. You can also adjust the size, from a small, subtle ring to a large, prominent circle, often ranging from 10 to 100 pixels in radius. Opacity settings let you control transparency, from 0% for a faint outline to 100% for a solid shape. Many applications also offer animated effects for mouse clicks, adding another layer of visual feedback. To get the most out of your highlighted cursor, consider a few best practices. Select a size and color that stands out without being distracting, ensuring it complements your screen's content. Many applications offer customizable hotkeys, allowing you to toggle the highlight on or off instantly, which is incredibly useful during live presentations. Experiment with different settings for size, opacity, and click effects to find your ideal configuration. A clearly visible cursor significantly improves engagement and makes your demonstrations more impactful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.